Guys, you want to launch a coaching program with Kajabi? This step-by-step tutorial is going to guide you through setting up both one-on-one and group coaching so that you can grow your business with confidence. But before we dive into the details, I wanted to share something special with you. If you want to try Kajabi, I've got a special link for you. It gives you a 30-day trial, which is much longer than the usual 14 days. And as a thank you for using my link, you'll get my Kajabi Jumpstart course. And in the course, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use Kajabi step by step, but that's not all. You'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. Now those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that at no cost. The best part is you'll get instant access to both the course and templates when you use my link. So check out the link in the description below. Now let's dive in. First off, when you log into Kajabi, go to the product section and click on it. Then choose coaching from the options that show up. Now this will take you to the coaching page, and here you'll see a simple coaching dashboard that brings together everything that you need. Your dashboard, programs, clients, and settings all in one spot that's easy to manage. Now, one of the most important parts of a great coaching program is setting up when you're available. So after clicking on settings, you'll go to the section where you can manage your coaching availability. Kajabi makes it super simple to choose the exact days and times that clients can book with you. Pick a specific day like Monday and decide when you're free. You can add more than one time block per day. For example, you might want one block from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and another shorter block from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. So each time block shows up clearly, so it's easy for your clients to know when you're available and book a session that works for both of you. To add more time blocks, just click the Add Availability button, and this lets you add extra time slots for the same day. If you want to delete a time block that you don't need, click the trash icon next to it. Now, all of the time slots automatically show up in your local time zone, so it's easy for you and your clients to manage. Additionally, you can control how often new coaching sessions can start. Now, this is set in the start time increments option, where you can pick intervals like every 15 minutes. Now, this keeps sessions spaced out and ensures that your day runs smoothly. Kajabi makes it easy to manage how far ahead clients can book their coaching sessions. Under the open date range section, you can set the booking window in days, weeks, or months. For example, if you choose 4 weeks, clients can book a session up to 1 month ahead. You can also extend this window to 6 months. Now, this gives plenty of time for both you and your clients to plan things smoothly. To make scheduling easier, Kajabi gives you detailed session settings. The session limits feature lets you control how many sessions clients can book each day. Now, this helps you avoid being overbooked and keeps your schedule manageable. Moreover, there's the buffer time option. Now, this adds a gap between sessions so you have time to prepare or take a break before your next call. It's a great way to stay organized and avoid back-to-back sessions. Additionally, the minimum notice feature is super helpful. It allows you to set a required amount of time before clients can book a session. You can choose minutes, hours, or days to make sure that you're ready. For example, setting it to 15 minutes gives you a little time to prepare for last-minute bookings. Finally, Kajabi works easily with popular calendars like Google Calendar, Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft Outlook, iCloud Calendar, and Calendly. To connect your calendar, just click the Sign In button for the calendar that you use. Kajabi will sync all of your scheduled coaching sessions with your personal or work calendar. Now, this integration helps you avoid double bookings and makes it simple to keep track of your coaching schedule. So when you're done setting everything up, remember to click the Save button in the top right corner. This will make sure that your preferences are applied. Now, let's go over how to create a one-on-one coaching program. To begin with, click on the coaching option under the products tab. Once you click on it, you will land on the coaching page, and from there, click on the programs section. Now, you'll see all of your existing coaching programs, and since we're creating a new one, click on the new coaching program button at the top right corner of the page. Now, when you click on the new coaching program button, Kajabi will open up a setup wizard. Now, this will take you through each step to create your one-on-one coaching program. First, you'll need to add some basic details about your program. There's a field for the program title, which should clearly describe what you're offering. You can also add the coach's name if it's you or another expert. Next, you can write a short, clear description that explains what clients will gain from your program. Now, this is your chance to really highlight the value of your coaching sessions. To make your program stand out, you can upload a thumbnail image. You can drag and drop the image into the box or pick one from your computer. Kajabi gives you size recommendations and supports popular formats like JPEG and PNG for the best results. After you've entered all of the details, click Continue to move to the next step. And on the next screen, you'll pick the type of coaching that you offer. There are two main options: one-to-one coaching for individual sessions, or group coaching for working with a group of clients at the same time. Now, since we're focusing on one-on-one coaching, choose the one-on-one option. After that, you'll see the number of sessions included in your program. For example, you might go with 6 sessions to keep everything organized and clear. When you've clicked the number of sessions, just click Continue to move ahead. Next, you'll set up your scheduling preferences by choosing the tool that you want to use. Kajabi's built-in scheduler is a great choice because it's simple and it works perfectly with the rest of the platform. It handles appointments automatically and even saves your live coaching sessions right in Kajabi. So if you're already using Calendly, you can pick that instead. You can also manage bookings on your own if that's what you prefer. After that, pick your session's location. Kajabi Live Video is a solid option since it's already built into the platform. Now, if you like using other tools, you can link platforms like Zoom or Google Meet. Then decide on your session length. Most sessions are going to be about 60 minutes, giving you plenty of time to connect with clients. When everything is set and looks good, click Continue. Then Kajabi will prompt you to customize your program's visual appearance. Now, this involves selecting a primary and secondary color that will brand your coaching interface to match your business identity. You can select custom colors that resonate with your existing website theme or brand palette. Now, these select colors will immediately preview to give you a visual sense of how your coaching program interface will appear to clients. After deciding on your colors, go ahead and click the Continue button. Now it's time to set up how you'll price your coaching program. You can choose to offer it for free as part of a promotion or make it a paid premium service. If you go with the paid option, you can set up clear pricing like a one-time payment or installment plans that fit your clients' budgets. For this tutorial, we'll go with the free option. Now, once you've picked your pricing model, click Save and Finish. Now, after you finish these steps, your coaching program will be ready to use. You'll see an overview page for the program that you've just created. Now, this page will have important sections like client listings, package details, offers connected to the program, and extra settings. At first, the client area will be empty because no one has signed up yet. Now, when clients start joining, this section will help you manage everyone easily. So after setting up your coaching program, go to the Package Outline section. Now, this is where Kajabi shows all of the coaching sessions that you've created. Each session is listed clearly so that you can see your whole coaching plan at a glance. Now, to make changes to a session, look for the 3-dot menu icon next to the session's title. Click on it and a small menu will pop up with 2 options: Edit Details or Delete Session. Now, when you click the Edit Details, you'll go to a page where you can update the session however you like. At the top of the page, there's a field called Title, and here you can rename the session to match the topic or focus area. It's a good idea to choose a title that's clear and engaging so your clients know exactly what to expect. Now, below the title, you'll see a session description box, and this is where you can add details about each coaching session. Now, you can make the text bold, italic, use bullet points, or add links. You can even include other types of content to make it even more engaging. Now, this section helps you share clear and detailed information so clients know what to expect and feel ready and excited for their session. As you scroll down, you're going to find the agenda section, and this is where you list the main topics or key points for the session. It's easy to add items. Just click on the Add Item button and type them in. A clear agenda keeps the session on track, and it shows clients exactly what they'll accomplish. Next, you're going to see the resources section. Kajabi makes it simple to share helpful files or links with your clients. Just click the Add Resources to upload documents, templates, or worksheets that go with your session. These resources add a lot of value to your coaching and make the experience better for your clients. At the very bottom of the session editing page, you're going to see the option called Delete Session if you no longer need the session. Now be careful when using this because deleted sessions can't be brought back. Once you finished editing, click the Save button in the bottom right corner to keep all of your changes. Now you can use the same method to set up each session in your Kajabi coaching program, and this helps create a more organized and enjoyable experience for your clients. And that's it for this video, guys, and as promised, I got something special for you since you've made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that gives you a full 30-day trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days. And that means that you're going to get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test all of the features without feeling rushed. Simply check the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. Now, this is an affiliate link, so I'm going to earn a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. And as a thank you for using my link, you'll get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. And this is just a quick program where I walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step. We'll cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. But that's not all. When you use my link, you're also going to get my premium Notion templates for free. Now, these templates are worth over $900, but you'll get them at no cost. And the best part is that you'll get access to the course and templates instantly when you use my link. I want to make it easy for you to start strong so that you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. Now, if you want to know more, just let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to help you set up your online business with Kajabi. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.